Okay, elimination when nothing is alike. Notice this is not really an orange, it's an apple orange. I don't know what sure that is. All right. So basically we have the equation here, 2x minus 3y equals 4, and x plus 4y equals -9. We're going to solve by elimination. This is what I call a two-step because none of the numbers are the same. So what I need to do is this. I'm going to need to make one of the numbers be the same or its opposite. So now what I want to do is this. This is a little Coach Stoney special here. This is a 2 up here, 2x, and there's just a single x here. So what would happen if I multiplied it by -2? Well, as long as I multiply the whole row by -2, now technically I should put a parentheses here, put the -9 here, another -2, but I just kind of do this here, make it a big distributive property. It's not really a math thing, but it's a thing I do. And I take -2 times the x is -2x, -2 times 4y is -8y, and -2 times -9 is +18. Notice, the top row stayed the same, and the bottom row got multiplied by -2. And the reason I chose -2 is because now I have a +2x and a -2x. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to basically draw a line underneath of it and add these together. I have my little focus up here. I'm going to focus and put focus on this right here. What's going to happen is these x's are going to cancel out. So I have -3y minus 8y equals 4 plus 18, which is 22. And now I'm going to take and divide, have the nice continental divide here to tell me I need to divide. And what's in front of the y? A -11. So I'm going to divide both sides by -11. That will cancel out. So I have y equals -2. So now what I'm going to do is this. I am now going to come up here and pick either one of these problems. Now I could even pick this bigger with the numbers. I think I picked this one here because the x is already by itself to make the work a little easier. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to substitute or plug in the y is equal to what? -2. That's why I had the plug in and little Rufus to show up here. Replace the assert y with -2. 4 times -2 is -8. So I have x minus 8 equals -9. So add 8 to each side. So x is -1. Now the real question comes in, is the answer -2, -1, or -1, -2? And how do you know? You always write them in alphabetical order. Which comes first? X comes before y, so it'll be -1, -2. That was solving by using the elimination method.